Hi friend, welcome to Jurist Exam YouTube channel. There is a vacancy in Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. ये फॉर्म आप juristexam.com पर जाकर डायरेक्टली फिल कर सकते हैं, नोटिफिकेशंस को देख सकते हैं. आप गूगल पर जैसे ही सर्च करते हैं juristexam.com, ये पेज आपका ओपन होकर आ जाएगा. On this website you can see there are many things you can search for related to job, results, exam notices, answer keys, syllabus, one click admit card, many more things you can search from this website. You can also write a blog on this website and earn the money. From this website you can also shop for many things. You can see there is a vacancy for PGCIL diploma trainee. You can see on this website there is a link given in content of job. First link you can see there is a PGCIL NR diploma trainee electrical and civil 2021. When you click on this, this page will show. You can see, scroll it down and then you can see ये open होकर आ जाएगा. Recruitment for 2021 Power Grid Corporation. Of this form both male and female candidate can fill. It is a diploma in relative trade, electrical and civil. You can also buy a book for PGCIL, electrical and both civil. You can order from this website. This you can see there is a total post 35 and there is a 30 post for electrical and 5 post for civil engineering. Then you can see here, you can see age limit up to 15/6/2021. Minimum age is 18 years and maximum age is 27 years. There is a relaxation as per their rules. You can order the book. There is a fees, you can say application fees given 300 for general, EWS, OBC and for all others, and 0 for SC, ST, PWD candidates. And there is, you can see educational qualification up to 15/6/2021, diploma in relative trade, electrical, civil from recognized university. Only recognized university can fill who have the maximum marks of 70%. Important dates you can see. Online registration is started from today 24/5/2021 and online registration last date is 15/6/2021. This is where this job vacancies come today only. You can also download notification and see the syllabus and things you should want to know. See, there is a option for applying online. You can directly on this website, when you search on Google juristexam.com, then from this website you can directly apply online and you can directly go to the official website also. On this website you can order books from related to education and related to poetry and many things. You can see here books are, you can see there is PGCIL diploma engineering for junior engineer for electrical also and civil also. On this website you can see all the notification for the job. To get the notification as soon as the jobs come, you can follow the telegram group of juristexam.com. The links are given in description box. On this website you can, when you come, you can write the blog also. So write it and join the group of telegram, and the link of the website in given in description from where you can directly go. So thanks for watching.